Everyday English conversations practice easy. What is your favorite restaurant? Anna, what is your favorite restaurant? My favorite one is Florentine Restaurant. It sounds like an Italian restaurant. You're right. They serve mainly Italian food there. Why do you like it? The food there is delicious and the restaurant looks very nice. What is the restaurant like? It's a bit noisy but very cozy. What is your favorite dish there? I love beef and pineapple pizza the most. It sounds delicious. Yes, I also like their spaghetti. Is it expensive to eat there? No, it isn't. The price is very reasonable. Great. I will try it one day. You really should. We can go together. Sure. Do you like your job? Lucy, you look so tired today. Yes, I was so busy at work. You should sleep early tonight. Yes, I will. Jane, do you like your job? Me? Yes, I do. Why do you ask? I'm thinking about changing job. Don't you like your job? I like it, but I feel exhausted. Are you always busy at work? Yes, most of the time. How long have you been working there? I've been working there for 4 years. Why do you suddenly think about changing job? I want to spend more time with my daughter when she goes to primary school. I see. So you should think carefully. Can you swim? Joe, will you register for the swimming class? No, I won't. Why not? I already know how to swim. Oh, really? How old were you when you learned to swim? I was 8 years old when I had my first lesson. How long did it take for you to be able to swim? Not long. Around 7 days. Wow, so fast. Can you swim? No, I can't. That's why I will register for the swimming class. I hope you will have fun and know how to swim soon. Thank you, Joe. When is her birthday? What are you thinking about, Ron? Sarah's birthday is coming. When is her birthday? It's on November 9th. What gift will you give her? I'm still thinking about it. What did you give her last year? I gave her a bunch of flowers and a perfume bottle. Have you had any gift ideas yet? Oh, nothing special. Just something like a dress or lipsticks. Why don't you try to do something handmade for her? Like what? A card or photo album, for example? Nice idea. But I don't know how to do those things. There are many instruction videos on YouTube. Okay, I will try. Thank you for your suggestion. Not at all. Are you ready? Lena, close your eyes. What? Come on, just close your eyes and follow me. Okay. Okay, stop. Are you ready? Yes, I'm ready. Now open your eyes. Oh, wow, it's incredible, Mia. Happy birthday, my girl. I hope you like this birthday gift. I really like it. Wow, the painting looks amazing, Mia. I'm glad you like it. How long does it take to draw it? A few hours. Aw, thanks a lot, Mia. I will hang it in my bedroom. Have you ever been abroad?
Amelia, have you ever been abroad?
Yes, I have been to many countries.
What is your most favorite place?
My favorite place is Venice.
Where is Venice?
It's in Italy.
What is special about that place?
It is called the City of Canals.
When was the last time you went to Venice?
I went there last summer.
What was the weather like?
It was very nice. Sunny all day, but not too hot.
Which place in Venice do you like the most?
It's Burano Island. There are many colorful houses on the island.
Did you buy any souvenirs?
Yes, I bought a lot of postcards.
What time does the movie begin? Bill, can I borrow your hair gel? Yes, it's on the rack in the bathroom. Thank you. You seem to be in a hurry. Yes, I'm going to the cinema with my girlfriend today. What time does the movie begin? At 7:45 p.m. You still have enough time, don't you? I've got to pick her up. Oh, I got it. What movie will you watch today? Spider-Man. No Way Home. Okay. Remember to bring an umbrella. It might rain tonight. Thanks for reminding me. Not at all. Enjoy your night, man.
How do you like it?
Hello, may I help you, sir? Hi, I'd like to order. Yes, sir, I'm listening. I want to have this tuna salad. Okay? 2 beefsteak dishes. How do you like it? Rare, medium rare, or well done? 1 medium rare and 1 well done, please. Anything else, sir? And 1 chicken soup. That's it. Okay, sir. What would you like to drink? I would like 2 red wine glasses. Thank you. I got you to order. Please wait a moment for your food to be served. Okay. I'll serve your wine when the beefsteak is ready. Sure, no problem. Thank you. You're welcome, sir.
Do you smoke? James, do you smoke?
No, I don't, Mom.
Are you sure?
Yes, of course.
You'd better not smoke, or I will teach you a lesson.
But why do you ask so suddenly, Mom?
I saw a cigarette packet in your trousers.
That is my friend Bill's packet.
Why was it in your pocket?
Yesterday he asked me to help him hold it, then he forgot it.
Oh, okay. Don't smoke. It's not good for your health.
I know, Mom. I hate the smell anyway.
That's good. And remember to give the pack back to your friend.
Yes, I will, Mom.
What are you doing here? Hi, Lauren. Hi, Jennifer. What are you doing here? I have a stomach ache, so I went to check it.
Does it hurt a lot?
Yes, it hurt so bad I couldn't even sleep last night.
That's why you look so tired.
How about you? Why are you here?
I'm here for the blood test.
What's wrong with you?
I have a high cholesterol level, so I went to check again today.
Really? How long have you got it?
I've got it since last year.
How often do you have to go to check?
The doctor suggests I check every 3 to 6 months.
How is it now?
Much better. It's lower now.
What's your address?
Linda, have you heard about Michael's new house? It is a whole mansion.
Wow, really? Where did you get that information?
Leo told me about it. Apparently, they live right next door to each other now.
That's nice. Talking about Leo, he is throwing a party at his place this weekend. Are you coming?
Yeah, he invited me yesterday. Can you give me his address again? I totally forgot to write it down.
Let me see. It's 45 XYZ Street, right next to a gas station, I think.
Okay. While we're at it, maybe we can pay Michael's house a visit as well?
Good idea. Let's ask him. Hey, Michael, can we hang out at your place after Leo's party this weekend?
Sure, but my family and I just moved in, and we have not finished unpacking yet. If you guys are fine with the house being a bit messy, then it's fine.
No worries. We just want to check out your place a bit.
Okay, I'll tell my parents you guys are coming. Oh, should we bring something over as a housewarming gift? You can if you want, but it really isn't necessary. Your presence is enough. That's so nice of you. I'll still bake something for us to enjoy together, though. That's also great. I'm excited.
Mom, can I go over to Michelle's place and hang out with her there today? Sure, honey. Have her parents agreed to that yet? She said so, Mom.
All right, do you need me to drop you off, or are you going on your own?
It would be great if you could give me a ride, Mom. I'm not too familiar with her neighborhood.
That's no problem, honey. What is her address?
Oh, it's 29 DEF Street. I think you would know it. It's on your way to work.
Ah, yes. I have to go past that street every morning.
Should I get ready to go now?
Maybe in 15 minutes. I need to finish doing these dishes, then we can go. Oh, can you grab the car key in the living room for me?
Where exactly in the living room, Mom?
Look on top of the coffee table. I saw it there last time.
Got it, Mom. I'll wait for you in the car.
Okay. "911, what's your emergency?" "Hi, I am calling to report a potential burglary at my neighbor's house. They told me they were out of town for the week, but I heard something like windows breaking and saw movement in the house." "All right, keep calm, and please tell us the address of your neighbor's house." "It's 64 XYZ Street. Can someone come over here right now? I'm not sure if the burglar is still there." "We are sending a team right over. In the meantime, can you give us some additional information?" "Yeah, sure." "Did you see anyone suspicious around the house earlier?" Actually, yes. Yes, I did. I saw a male in dark clothes with a black cap covering his face. About 5'10", a bit slender. I didn't think much about him, though, because it was quite cold outside. I see. What about his vehicle? Did you see a new car or motorbike on your street? I don't think so. Everything seemed normal except for what I already reported. Okay, well, our team should be there any moment now. Please stay on the line and update us with any new information as soon as you have it. Alright, got it.